Hello and welcome to Start of Sales classes. Today we are going to solve two questions from quantitative aptitude. Quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination and it requires only your computing skill and memorizing skills. There is no such conceptual complexity in it and this is mostly a high scoring portion. Okay, here we are given two graphs denoting the total number of population of different cities and the percentage male population and the percentage population below poverty line. Okay, as we can see, for the city A the population is 75 lakh, the city B the population is 85 lakh, for city C it is 60, for D it is 90, for E 50 and F is 70. And in the next graph we can see in the x-axis we are given the cities and in the y-axis the we are given the population in percentage, and the line graph showing the percentage population below poverty line, and the next line graph shows the percentage male population. Okay, this is showing the percentage male population and this line showing the percentage population below poverty line. Okay, now let's see the question. The first question asks that what is the average male population of all the 6 cities together. Now first we write the population corresponding to these 6 cities. Okay, for A it is 75 in lakh, for B it is 85, for C it is 60, for D it is 90, for E it is 50, and lastly for AF it is 70. And the percentages of population for the 6 cities are 6 cities are, for A it is percentages of male population, therefore the first one is 46%, the second one is 50%, the third one is 60%, the fourth one is 40%, and the fifth one is 45%, and lastly it is 55%. Okay, therefore the total number of males is equals to 75 into 0.46 plus 85 into 0.5, as we already know that 75, 85 these are the total population, and we are given that 46% of the total population in a city is male. Therefore we can evaluate the total number of males in this way, that is 75 into 0.46 plus 85 into 0.5 plus 60 into 0.6 plus 90 into 0.4 plus 50 into 0.45 plus 70 into 0.55. Okay, and this results in 34.5 plus 42.5 plus 36 plus 36 plus 22.5 and lastly 38.5, and after adding all these we get 210. Now we need to find the average male population. Therefore, the average male population in all these 6 cities is equals to 210 divided by 6, which results in 35. That means the average male population is 35 lakh. Therefore, option 2 is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question. What is the difference between the population below poverty line and population above poverty line? In the second graph, we are given percentage of population below poverty line. Okay, that is this graph. Okay, this graph showing the percentage population below poverty line. Therefore, the corresponding percentages are 60, 40, 45, 50, 70, and lastly 60. We already know the total population in each of these cities. Now we just need to multiply each of the percentages with the total population to get the uh, population below poverty line in each cities. Now just adding all these numbers, we get the total population below poverty line. Percentage population below poverty line for city A is below poverty line for city A is equals to 75 multiplied by 0.6, which results in 45. For B, it is 85 multiplied by 0.4, which results in 34. For city C, it is 60 multiplied by 0.45, which results in 27. For D, it is 90 multiplied by 0.5, which results in 45. For E, it is 50 multiplied by 0.7, and this equals to 35. And lastly for F, it is 70 multiplied by 0.6, which results in 42. Therefore, the total population below poverty line is nothing but adding all these numbers, and we get the answer is 228. Now similarly, we have to find the population above poverty line. As we already know the total population and then we get the population below poverty line, then if we subtract both of them, then we get the population above poverty line for each of these cities. Therefore, for city A, we get 75 minus 45, which results in 30. For B, it is 85 minus 34, which results in 51. For city C, it is 60 minus 27, which results in 33. For D, it is 90 minus 45, which also results in 45. For E, it is 50 minus 35, which results in 15. And lastly, for F, it is 70 minus 42, which results in 28. Okay, so after adding all these numbers, we get 202 as the total number of population above poverty line. Therefore, the difference between these two numbers are 228 minus 202, which is 26. Therefore, 26 lakh is our correct answer. So option 5 is the correct option. Okay, so that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can drop a message at these two numbers, which is 9836793076 or 9874822756, or you just can check our website to know more, which is www.saurasclasses.com. Thank you very much.